Hello techies! What if I told you this tiny ESP32 CAM can do AI object detection without training a single model? You guys already seen the output of the system. Let's make this project from scratch. But collecting the datasets, labeling hundreds of images, training models for hours, export TensorFlow right, fixing errors, retrain again. Oh, frustrating, right? No, this project is not like that. Do you believe you can build a AI object detection system without doing any of this? No dataset creation, no image labeling, no model training, just this tiny ESP32 CAM and a push button. So here is the idea. Connected the push button to the GPIO 13th pin of the ESP32 CAM. Whenever the button is pressed, the ESP32 CAM instantly captures an image. But here is the smart part. The image gets uploaded directly to the CircuitDigest Cloud API, and the cloud does all the heavy AI processing for us. Even this tiny low-cost ESP32 CAM can perform advanced AI object detection. It detects persons, cell phones, cars, and the list goes on up to 75 object classes. Let me show you how easy actually this is. Open CircuitDigest Cloud. Log in. If you don't have an account, create an account. Now scroll down and open object detection. Inside you will see API section, usage logs, class selection and confidence settings. You can set the confidence slider according to your need. And then class selection section where you can detect specific objects only or enable all 75 classes at once. Before connecting any hardware, let's test the AI directly in the browser without any hardware. Upload any random image which has the objects like cup, mouse, keyboard, laptop, computer, like anything you want, but there is an object in the image. Within seconds, the AI detects the object names, bounding boxes, object count, and confidence scores, all automatically. Now let's connect this with real hardware and test it. Scroll down to the code section, select ESP32 CAM. Now let's connect this with real hardware and test it. Copy the code. Now simply change the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. That's it. Even the API gets filled automatically. Paste the code in Arduino IDE and upload it. Once it's powered on, the boards automatically connects to the Wi-Fi. Now point the camera towards literally anything. Now press the button. The ESP32 CAM captures the image, upload it to the cloud AI, and within seconds, boom, you get object names, number of objects, confidence score, AI generated bounding boxes. Tiny hardware integrated with powerful cloud AI. That's how small meets smart. If you really enjoy this project, like the video and subscribe CircuitDigest for more such videos. Until next time, see you guys.